This is a McPherson. These are oak cabinets with a chestnut stain with Camden doors. The McPherson is one of our most popular plans, and this is a popular island configuration for it, though you can change it based upon your own personal taste and preference. All of the descriptions for everything for this house are pretty much in the overall description. I believe this was Ortensia, but you may want to check that if this might be a color combination that you like. It's a very, very large island. Very popular range hood right now. This is provided by the customer. This is a gray subway tile with white grout. Starting to point out the grout colors because it's one of those things you're going to come up across and you're going to want to not make any more decisions by that point. This is actually a matte tile, though I can see it looks a little shiny. It's matte, and you can choose from matte or glossy. This is really a nice range hood. These are staggered cabinets, so they'll go up and down. It'll give a nice finished look for your home. And there's a Lazy Susan farmhouse sink. It's really large, very spacious. This is where your microwave drawer will go. This will be on site by others. I have one and absolutely love it. Here's your living room. You can change the space based upon what you want. Some may choose a desk. There are options in our plans. This is one of those spaces that has that. Actually, in this plan, you will see a lot that have cabinets that go all the way across. This one has a desk. This is a small pantry. So I believe this house number was 5997. Again, it's in the description. If you like the options chosen in this plan, you may want to refer to them. So that is across from the larger pantry. So you've got two closets right across from each other. I'll tell you the one I just looked at, I haven't seen before. So that typically would have cabinets there. And there are other McPhersons that you can certainly look at videos of that have that. Just depends on your own personal taste and preference. This is Craftsman trim. Here's where your stairs will be. This is a half bath, which will be off your laundry. What I find interesting with this one is the choice of these really wide drawers here. 3 in a row, almost square-like. So it'll be deep, have lots of room. Those are soft closed doors. These cabinets do also have a pencil glaze. It's a little dusty in here, but you can see the black pencil glaze on the cabinets. Laundry. Sink. The cubby behind. These doors are currently fixed because this house is getting ready to move, so I can't open that and show it to you. Your electrical panel. And your spot for your washer and dryer with a window above it to bring in some light. We have a small closet there. Now we're going to head into the master. So here we're going to have your closets there and another closet right there. Go into your bathroom. This one has chosen a single sink. And that's something you have to decide on. Do you want a single sink or a double sink vanity? Do you want this extra room on your countertop? Half wall with an end cap. And this is a standard shower configuration here. You can choose to have different colors there. You could choose, this one has black You can choose brushed nickel. Chrome may be an option. Cannot get to this closet due to the doors there. This is also our black hardware. A little dusty. That shows you the black hardware. Again, all the glass bulbs, etc., will be put on site. Installed on site. There's the bar backer to this one. Nice wide doorway here. This is a great spot to show you the Craftsman trim up close. And we're going to come into a half bath here with a standard tub shower configuration. It seems to have the same almost square-like drawers. This will be a standard faucet in black. We only use Moen faucets. And here's one of the bedrooms. As you can see, the store is still laying down. Not everything is finished. That actually goes into another room. One window. I'm going to go to the third bedroom. Again, another single window. And your closets. Very popular plan, commonly an inventory home of ours. The McPherson.